equalised there. Ultimately, Sundowns did go on to win. So, as far as absentees go, it's a major one from a Magesi perspective. In the PSL era, to manage to go an entire league season without defeat, and many thought that they would achieve that as that ball ricochets into the hand. 3 games, which was actually a new record that set Lilia, if we do see him emerge from the bench, still on the cusp of that PSL era record, as Magesi get the ball in. Punch balls in a top flight. It just hasn't worked out for him as of yet. Today might be a good day though, as Sales links up with Reynolds, gets the shot away. Oh, it's fortuitous, but Lucas Ibero in his battle with Reynolds to win that golden boot has snuck it in.
What a lovely place to see themselves taking an early lead, and it's all smiles here. This pass from Sales, the drop of the shoulder from Reynolds, has a pop, a touch from Ribeiro, and Sundowns take an early lead here at Loftus Stadium.
How much do you, well, I was going to say, how much do you think he knew about that? But the manner in which he actually flicked it towards goal indicates that I think it was very purposeful.
I say anything it...
Lucas Ibero, knocked down from Reynolds for Allende. It's made its way through to Modiba. Corner taken short. In from Mokoena, almost by Allende now. Taken by Vandala. Won the title so far in advance, and they needed just, I think, 10 goals from their final 6 games, and they didn't get there because they'd already won. Modiba manages to cut it back. It's a desperate...
It's a brilliant vision here from Mahema. Clipped into the space for Modiba. Presence of mind to clip it back. Ribeiro did get an opportunity to take the shot there.
Allende. Releases Modiba. Again, it's a combination of Chipazeze and the upright. Over.
Yeah, it was a quickly taken free kick there, a corner kick rather, and Reynolds on the end of yet another Ribeiro pass across.
And so some wondered whether it would be the same story, as good as he is, make another move. Would it work out? It has. They lost in their final match since the 2008-2009 season. Siwashla scored, as well as Tulani Serrero. Modiba's found it slightly tough going against Kakore, who sort of hesitated.
What a simple
there. Asking questions of his defence. Brilliant save there. Once again, the patience showed. A lot of width about this attack, and Allende playing it to Ribeiro once again with an exquisite...
No surprise that they have broken the goal scoring record. Sales trips. 3 men in the wall. Allende. Ribeiro.
Amen.
Amen. Well, to make sure of that golden boot accolade. That is a tremendous finish from Lucas Ribeiro. On the knee side,
and it oozes through, and it was a dummy run from Mahema. It looked like it was a bit of a heavy ball there from Allende, but no problem for Ribeiro. One touch to set himself up, and brilliant curve to the far post. Nothing that Chipazeze could do. Sundowns double their lead.
Race. Libero. Lose momentum going into the CAF Champions League final either.
Yeah, that's the last thing that they want to do. Gain momentum, keep the intensity going, keep the confidence up. A lovely dink in here from Allende. Just trying to get behind.
They have such good passing players as Artur Sales is mugged. To be unveiled just before it's lifted.
Come on,
so keep us in suspense. And
so urged
now Mokwena goes for it. And again, the woodwork has denied.
See, just finessed up and over the wall. Outstretched Chipazeze could do nothing.
Sales to Rainers, disguises his goals for Mayema. Up forward by out-swinging delivery. Hits a Kabusa.
Not a bad effort, the delivery here from Allende. Plus from a defence from Magesi. One touch was a little bit wide there, but done extremely well to try and get that on target from an open.
Winners, Mayema, touch let him down. Mamelodi Sundowns, the history makers, a must-watch team. Guaranteed goals. Joy.
You can understand the match just before the second leg.
Yes, Sales still going. Probably one of the most promising moves that is laying it off neatly. Marcelo Allende, Lucas Higuero, and Zeze will collect, continues on, places his pass, picked up by Mudiva. It's a throw here for Raiders.
Raiders not looking to pass at this moment, trying to play catch up. Almost finding him with the first pass. Brilliant, this guy's pass there for Raiders.
Modal lifts his head back and can't pick out his intended target. 5 games, it's the best they've ever done in what is their maiden campaign. Yes, Sales. Two early strikes from Helen Fouquet. They don't concede from a corner as Williams gets gloves on that. Mayema.
Sales.
Now Sales.
Mwenga.
1-2. That man is on putting his strings, creating triangles. Excellent. Usually up from Sales and Shannon and trying the spectacular. Can't blame him.
Goes down, Russell Sounds. Oh, good defending even under these circumstances.
Offside.
Flag raised immediately.
Someone's a panic.
And pace from
Boy. Turn.
Zone.
Pass.
Shika Bad.
Wait.
Laying
Sales.
it off.
Oh, What's that?
Laying it off.
Goal.
Nice.
Oh, I'm cheating.
Excellent.
Let's do
play
it.
there.
Second of a shot to goal.
Brilliant turn in the space there.
Peter Shalalilo is calling for it in the area. Saleh still. Allende. Combines with Zwane really well.
I'm
Very nearly.
I'm